Welcome to BloggingMantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to create affiliate marketing website in 2022. I will provide the tips how to be a successful affiliator because everyone know what is the affiliate marketing. If some product you will list in your website like that, this is my website courseudemy.com, and I have listed some Udemy courses in my website, and you will see here the looks. My website is very user friendly. If you are making this type of website like that, you have some free courses and something is coupon is code is available in my website. So whenever some user is coming in your website, they will be activate your deal or enroll this course. And I have joined this Udemy affiliate marketing, and whenever some user is coming in my website and enroll some of courses from my website, so I will get some 30% commission from that courses. Okay, if this course is someone is activate these deals and is go to my post, this I have detailing this courses, what is the course and the description of this courses, and who this course and what you will be learn from this course. And after that user that enroll this course, so I will just this price is 455, and if that user is enroll this course, I will get some 30% commission from Udemy. Okay, so this is called affiliate marketing. If you want course affiliate marketing, or you want to hosting, different type of hosting is available in the market, just like a GoDaddy, Hostinger, and HostGator. You will list that product to your website, and you can design your website like that. So some user is coming in your website and purchase some hosting from your website, so you will get some, I think you will host some hosting plans in your website. If someone is purchase hosting from your link, so you will get a $10 from one user. So this is the good idea to get some affiliate marketing. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how I am design this, like this website like that, user friendly and easy to understanding. So which plugin and which themes I am using, I will just explain you. And just go to my website. This is my website courseudemy.com, and this is WordPress dashboard. And I will just show you, I have using Rishi themes. Rishi themes is one of the best themes in WordPress, and it's a lightweight. I will just open this website rishithemes.com, core web writer optimize WordPress themes. If you are using these themes, you will not get any core web writer error in your website. So I just suggest you just download these themes. It's free, no need to charges anything, just free. I am using these themes in this website. Just I will show you this Rishi themes, and it's free. Okay, another one of the plugin you have to use if you are making some affiliate marketing website, so you have to one plugin Affiliate X, and this plugin also he free. Okay, so this themes, Risi themes, and one of these plugin affiliate X you have to install in your WordPress dashboard. After that, how to configure your Risi themes, everything I have just explained in detail. So this video will be very lengthy, but I will explain you in the just first. Okay, so this plugin I will explain you how to configure this plugin. Just go to your post and just I'm opening one post home page. This I am designing home pages. Just look how I am designing this type of columns and these colors, and in these themes you have some blocks. Just I am opening, and this video will be very valuable if you are looking for affiliate marketing website, how to make affiliate marketing in 2022. So this video will be very valuable for you. Just see my video, and this is my home page, and I have using this blog, and this blog is called, I just opening there, affiliate X single product blog. Okay, if you want to add some new blog, just like here, just click here icon and browse all and go to down, and here I am just install that plugin affiliate X. Here is the some button, some blog, 18 blog you can use this affiliate X button. This is the example of affiliate X button. Okay, and affiliate X prawns and cron. If you want to some product comparison or some advantage and disadvantage about and particularly product, you can use this blog. And affiliate X product comparison, if you are using some affiliate, some Flipkart or Amazon product comparison types, you can use this affiliate X comparison. Okay, and if you want to add a new product table, just like I am using this product table and this affiliate X product display, this one product, second product, third product, so you can easily design here. Okay, and just go down here and add a new blog here. Just go to, I'm using this affiliate X product table. Okay, just open this product table. Here you can simply upload one product image, just like this is my product image. Just I will show you here. You can write your product title. This is just demo, I will just show you. Here you can feature product feature, and here you can button. Here you can purchase now from which website, or you can check your product from Amazon. So simply you can add more product over here also. Okay, and this is the blog name is affiliate X product table. Okay, and I will using say another blog like affiliate X call to action. Call to action is similar to this type. I have already designed call to action in my one of this course, call to action. This blog is call to action. I have just designed in my website. Just enroll now and more detail. You can click more detail. So go to your another blog. Just I am just showing you the courses, my website. Just I am opening my website, and here is I have using call to action blog. And if someone is click here, just go to udemy.com, and if someone is want to more detail, just click here and opening another post. So I have designed this post also. Here I am using on images, and just requirement description about these courses, and why you will learn. This is all about the Udemy courses. If someone is click here, I will get some commission from Udemy. Okay. So this is the call to action blog, and I just show you another blog. Just add new blog, just like go to here, browse all, and go down, and I will just show you affiliate X notice. If you want to display one notice, just like here, you can go here and layout setting 1 2, this type of layout, 3 this type of layout, and general setting you can just general setting, just color and pending, and notice setting you can add some symbol also here, just like a just easy to use. Okay, just like you can use. Okay, and I will add another blog, single affiliate X single product. This is you can display here, just mouse move to get some idea about the affiliate specification, product specification you can add also from this blog, and affiliate X versus line, just some product comparison you can add over here, and affiliate X single product pros and cons, you can advantage and disadvantage about these courses you can simply add here, and here pros and cons you can use here. Okay, just enter here another advantage disadvantage you can simply add over here. Okay, here you can just enter cons. Okay, just like here you can upload one images from you over here, and here you can buy button also, you can add some more detail also here, and you can some here rating you can increase or decrease from over here. Okay, and best price, this is the label, and here rating setting you can enable or disable also. Here is the ribbon setting, this is the ribbon. Best price you can write here anything, the hot price, hot sale you can write over here. Okay, and button setting you can add simply here the affiliate marketing URL from over here. So simply get some good look from this plugin, and I will just suggest you this plugin is very important. If you are using affiliate X coupon grid, you can add simply coupon code over here, just write here the coupon code. Okay, and here you can paste your images, and here you can write some description about the product, here title about the product, and just activate this deal, just write here the URL of your affiliate marketing product. Okay, so this plugin is very important if you are looking for a design a affiliate marketing website, and anything you can use this plugin with any themes in WordPress, not for easy themes also. You can use any themes with this plugin, affiliate X plugin. So I will just provide this link of this plugin and themes. So just install this plugin, or you can use this plugin for any themes, not requires Resi themes itself, but I will just suggest you Resi themes is very core web optimized WordPress themes. You can use simply this, and if you are install these themes, after that you can go to starter site also, and starter site you can simply type here the affiliate, just affiliate starter site, just preview. I will show you this starter site is very important if you are looking some design here, inbuilt and free. Okay, just install this affiliate starter site also, so you can design your website like that. Okay, so I'll just show you my website design. This is very look and feel, and do come my website and visit once again how my website is this, and just comment if you are looking any help about the affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is very important plugin and themes for affiliate marketing in 2022. So how my video, and if this video is valuable for you, just subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching, and bye.